In front of me is CUBOT X19 S, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So if your device is stuck for some reason and you don't know how to wake it up, just tap on power key and hold it. Keep holding. And now you can leave it, as only you can see the CUBOT logo. Actually, that will be the end of the operation. Now you just have to patiently wait until it's rebooted. Draw your unlock pattern if you have one. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done, so congrats. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.